Rightio! So we are back at the Mitchell Car Wash with their brand new Istanbul M-Wash 3. So yeah, we got a bit of a wait. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. It's our turn. Rightio, so it's now our turn. We've got a deluxe touch-free.
Make your payment now.
And here we go.
Authorizing. Your transaction has been successful. Press to receipt is required. Then follow car wash instructions and signs before driving into bay.
Do you want me to hold it?
Select your wash by tapping the appropriate icon on the screen.
And away we go.
Do you know the close the mirrors?
We won't need to. It's touch-free. So yeah, let's enjoy the wash. We're doing the touch-free wash this time. I was going to go for the brush wash, but I said, no, I'll do the touch-free. Because the brush wash is only an express wash, which doesn't have the dryers. The tyre scrubbers leading back there. So the brushes won't be going off at all this video. Probably going to be onto a high pressure wash after this. Yep. A little bit loud. Here we go. Side spray is right here. Not bad. Pretty good actually. So we are now rinsing by the looks of it. Might be spot free. So we've got black and grey brushes. Yep, we're going to be on the dryers after this. Yep. So we've got the fan motors right there. We've got our side drives right here, and of course, our roof dryer right here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next episode. Goodbye.